Hi everyone, it's Jess. Today I'm going to go for a scavenger hunt and I want you to come along with me. Let's go! Down here I have got 3 things to help me on my scavenger hunt. I have got my list of things to find on my scavenger hunt, and on the list I have got a leaf, a stick, tree, a rock, some tree bark, some grass, a flower, water and a feather. I have also got a texter to help me mark the things off my list, and I've also got my core board. Alright, let's go on the scavenger hunt. Let's see what we can find. Oh, I think I found some water. Oh, we don't want to get too close. Alright, I can mark that off my list. Can you see the water? Looks very dirty. Alright, let's go find some more things. Oh, I found some rocks. I found some rocks. Can you see the rocks? Wow, there's all different shapes and sizes. We have got some small ones, some big ones. All right, let's tick it off our list. Let's go find some more things. Oh, I found a tree. Whoa, it's a very, very tall tree. There's actually heaps of trees here. All right, let's tick it off our list. Let's see what else we can find. Let's go. Oh, if you look closely here, this is tree bark. I have got some tree bark on my list. Let's tick it off. Tree bark. Can you see the tree bark? Look at it. You can touch it. You can go for a scavenger hunt with your family. You can touch some tree bark if you go on the scavenger hunt. All right, let's go find some more things. Oh, I have found some grass. Can you see the grass? It's a green color. All right, let's tick it off our list. Here we go. All right, let's go find some more things. Oh, I have found a flower, a yellow flower. Let's tick it off our list. Can you see the flower? And if you look over here, there's some more flowers. They look the same. All right, let's go find some more things. Oh, I have found some more water over here. I'm going to be careful where I'm stepping. Wow, that is a lot of water. All right, let's see if we can find some more things on our list. Oh, over here, I can see some leaves. We have got leaves, or a leaf, on our list. Can you see the leaf? Or the leaves? There's lots of them. All right, let's go find some more. Oh, if you look down here, I have found a stick. It's a really long stick. We have got stick on our list. Let's tick it off. Can you see the stick? It's very long. Look, there's another little stick here too. Alright, let's go and see if we can find some more things. Actually, let's have a look at our list. We have only got one more thing to find, a feather. That might be a bit tricky, but we'll see if we can find one. Let's go. Can you see any feathers? That's okay if I can't find any feathers, because maybe you might be able to find some feathers on your scavenger hunt. Alright. I think I am finished. I can't find a feather, but that's okay. Bye everyone. Thanks for coming on the scavenger hunt with me. Have a nice day.